Hi, today we will be addressing petty cash fund. A petty cash fund is a small sum of money available to a company at any time. Known as backup cash, it is often used to pay small expenses that a business did not expect. So that's why these expenses are recorded under the petty cash fund. This below is what a petty cash fund looks like. There are 3 steps involved in a petty cash fund. The first, establishing the fund, the second, making payments from the fund, and the third, replenishing the fund. Establishing the fund is all about establishing the check for the amount of the fund. To do so, a journal entry is made. As seen in this image, there is a check for $250. It increases the petty cash as that's the expense it's going towards, but decreases the cash due to a payment having to be made. At this point though, no cash has been dispersed outside of the business, as the expenses at this point are not known. In order to discover these expenses, it goes under making payments from the fund. Making payments can be made in 2 ways. The first method, as seen below, is cash can just be taken from the petty cash account, and the second way is employees can seek reimbursement from the fund for payments they have personally made. It is essential to keep the receipts when any cash is spent. It is recorded under the receipts in the fund. As you can see, they use these receipts and record postage with $35, office supplies of $55, and miscellaneous of $30, giving a total of $120. The third and final step, replenishing the fund. So due to our cash decreasing by $120 from our receipts, we now need to replenish this fund. The reason we replenish the fund at the end of the accounting period is that no record of the fund expenditures is in the accounts until the check is written and a journal entry is made. As seen here, we need to report the amount we need to replenish, which is $120. This goes under cash requested to replenish fund on the petty cash fund. A journal entry is also recorded, and this is conducted each time the fund undergoes replenishment. As seen in this journal entry, the cash decreases due to the expenses, and the expenses increase as we have an increase in the amount of expenses conducted. Note that the entry does not record the petty cash account. Another issue that can arise within a petty cash fund is the term cash over and short. This happens when the total amount of cash needed for replenishment does not equal the total amount of receipts. This is when it is charged to an account called cash over and short. It is a temporary account that is either a debit or a credit. This is an example of when cash over and short is being used. In this example, they were short of $20. That is all. Thank you for watching.